We are now one step closer to one-click yield generation for the XRP community. Welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. And yes, in this video, we do have some breaking news. We're starting here on X with the Flare Network official account, and they are welcoming Zaman wallet that is now live with FXRP minting. So for those of you who do not know, Zaman wallet is one of the most popular wallets, mobile applications for the XRP ledger. This is just the first phase of the integration. We'll talk about more on that in just a minute. More chain abstracted features are coming soon to make your XRP-Fi journey on the Flare network even smoother and safer. So coming over here, this is the Zaman wallet. With this latest integration, you can now use Xaman to mint FXRP through the F Assets application or protocol. And this is only the beginning. They're working on chain abstraction to make your XRP-Fi journey smoother and safer. So, what is chain abstraction? Any form of abstraction is removing details and complexities away from the user. Since this is a chain abstraction, Zaman are removing the requirement for their community to understand the Flare network. This is extremely powerful, and it's going to unlock the opportunity or the potential for a lot of XRP to flow into the Flare network without the users even having to realize that. Of course, this is just the beginning, phase 1, the ability to mint F assets through Zaman wallet. But what is the ultimate goal? Well, Wind did actually say that he is implementing a one-click style way to generate XRP yield directly in the Zaman wallet. This is going to utilize the F asset protocol and interact with the highly anticipated Firelight protocol, which is basically XRP staking. So a direct quote from Wietse himself, he said that through trustless technology and a trustless stack like Flare, he's happy to make one-click style yield generation for XRP holders happen. In fact, this implementation has already started, and we can see that materializing today with the ability to mint FXRP directly through the wallet. As a little bonus, yes, this is another huge day for another reason, because the minting cap for FXRP has now been increased in the largest amount ever. So 15 million FXRP is now available to mint through the various websites you can see here. And yes, this is a huge opportunity for anyone that wants to participate in earning a yield on their XRP. Of course, the biggest opportunity is still yet to come, in my opinion, and that is through Firelight. This application is basically a staking platform for XRP, and I think this is probably the most highly anticipated. We also have Gnosis loans as well, which will allow you to enter a collateralized debt position, a CDP loan, and basically loan out your XRP for a stable coin and use that so you never have to really sell your XRP. You will always have that exposure to the asset, but you're able to use US dollars or the stable coin in ways to generate an additional yield. We're going to be talking more about these strategies in the MasterMind group. If you are interested in joining, check out the Patreon link in the description below. So as you can see from here, this post was actually posted very recently. This is my local time, and at the minute, this is just 13 minutes since this post went live. Now, if we go over to the F asset dashboard and give it a quick refresh, you can see that the circulating supply for the FXRP asset is now 20.5 million, and there is availability for 87,000 lots, or around 2.12 million left to mint in terms of dollar valuation. This is absolutely incredible, and we're seeing huge adoption for this asset. People no longer want to hold XRP, they want to put it to use and start earning a yield, and this is the power of the Flare network. This is why I'm extremely bullish on the future of the Flare network, because it's not just going to encompass XRP. The Flare network is going to be a community of community, expanding to give these non-yield bearing assets, these non-smart contract platforms, the ability to start earning a yield. This is essentially going to be a crypto hub. So guys, get your FXRP minted while you still can. I would like to thank you all so much for watching. Do have yourself an incredible day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.